What if I told you studying for 10 hours is not the secret to getting better marks? Some students study all day and still forget everything in exams, while others study for fewer hours and score higher. Why? Because toppers don't just study hard, they study smart. As the famous scientist Albert Einstein once said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So if your current study method isn't working, it's time to upgrade it. In this video, you'll learn 5 scientifically proven study hacks used by toppers and productivity experts. And trust me, hack number 4 can completely change the way you study forever. Hack number 1. Use the active recall method. Most students make one big mistake. They only read their notes again and again. But according to cognitive psychologist Henry L. Roediger III, our brain remembers information better when we try to recall it. This is called active recall. Instead of rereading the chapter, close the book, ask yourself questions, try to explain the topic from memory. For example, instead of reading photosynthesis 5 times, ask yourself, what are the steps of photosynthesis? Your brain becomes active, and memory becomes stronger. Smart students test themselves. Average students only reread. Hack number 2. Study in short, focused sessions. Studying continuously for hours sounds productive, but science says your focus drops quickly. That's why many toppers use the Pomodoro Technique, created by Francesco Cirillo. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat. Simple. Your brain stays fresh, you avoid burnout, and your concentration improves massively. Remember, it's not about studying longer, it's about studying better. Hack number 3. Teach what you learn. Physicist Richard Feynman believed, if you cannot explain something simply, you do not understand it well enough. This became famous as the Feynman Technique. After studying a topic, pretend you are teaching it to a 10-year-old child. Use simple words. No complicated language. If you get stuck somewhere, that means you need to revise that part again. Teaching forces your brain to organize information clearly. And that's why teachers remember things for years. Hack number 4. Remove distractions before studying. Be honest. How many times do you check your phone while studying? Just one notification can break your focus. According to psychologist Gloria Mark, after a distraction, the brain can take several minutes to fully focus again. That means every notification is stealing your study time. So before studying, put your phone away, turn off notifications, keep only study material nearby. Create a focus zone, because deep focus is becoming a superpower in today's distracted world. Hack number 5. Sleep more to remember more. This may surprise you. Sleep is actually part of studying. Neuroscientist Matthew Walker explains that during sleep, the brain strengthens memories and stores information properly. So if you study all night and sleep only 3 hours, your brain forgets more. Instead, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Revise before sleeping. Let your brain do the memory work overnight. Smart studying includes smart resting too. So remember these 5 smart study hacks. You don't need to become a study machine. You just need a better system. Because success in studies is not about who studies the hardest, it's about who studies the smartest. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more self-improvement and study videos, and comment below, which study hack will you try first? See you in the next video.